Some compilers have a precompile or preprocessor to process statements that are not part of the computer programming language. The preprocessor is the first to look at the source code file and perform several pre-processing operations before it's compiled by the compiler. In computer language such as C, there is a phase of translation known as pre-processing. The amount and kind of processing done depends on the nature of the preprocessor. Some preprocessors are only capable of performing relatively simple textual substitution and macro expansion, while others have the power of full-fledged programming languages. No preprocessor is specifically designed for JavaScript. Lexical preprocessors are flexible, which means they are preprocessors with lexical analysis rules that can be customized and can use with JavaScript. It is advisable to use preprocessors that have been designed for a language having a similar syntax as JavaScript. Let us now explore the Google Chrome development tool, also called Chrome Dev Tool, which has JavaScript pre-processing features. Chrome Dev Tool is inbuilt with Google Chrome browser. The Chrome Dev Tool JavaScript preprocessor captures JavaScript before compilation and allows JavaScript to be transcoded. The preprocessor facilitates an artificial runtime to be constructed in JavaScript. JavaScript works well with browser. Various compilers used to convert JavaScript